Hello everyone, welcome back to Merit Store. Today's topic of discussion is effective study plans. You have some 6 tips which you could easily follow and make sure that what you are studying is thorough and you remember it for a very long time. So let's begin. Number 1, determine your study goals. So remember always to begin with the end in mind. So figure out what are you preparing for. Are you preparing for a 20-mark class test? Are you preparing for your semesters? Or are you preparing for your final board exam? So accordingly, you know how much time you need to invest and what's the portion that has to be covered in that much time. So accordingly, we can move to step number 2, which is listing down the syllabus. So once you know what you're preparing for, make a list of all the things that you need to prepare for that particular exam. For example, you're preparing for science. So there are objective type questions, there are diagrams, there are numericals, there are equations, proofs, 5-mark answer, 4-mark answer, etc. So make sure that you have a list of all these things that you need to prepare. Along with that, you have all your study materials ready with you, textbook, notes, guide, everything. And not just that, also make sure you have the past question papers and importance related to that subject as well. Tip number 3 is to understand your strength and weaknesses. I'm sure by now you've already identified your strong and weak subjects, and even within the weak subjects there could be certain topics, certain concepts which you like, which you find interest in, which you might be good at. So ideally you should be investing more time to revise these difficult concepts. Also at the same time, do not neglect your strengths. Don't get too overconfident. Try finishing those concepts in much less time. In that way you could maintain a balance between the both. The next tip number 4, is to make a timetable of your daily routine. What happens with us normally is that we tend to be quite busy doing different stuff, and when you sit and reflect back with what you've achieved, you've practically done nothing. You wasted time in doing either silly or petty jobs which are not important. So it becomes quite easier to manage your day if you have a daily routine schedule with you from the time you wake up till the time you sleep. So accordingly, you'll understand where you've invested most of your time and where your time is getting wasted. Once we have figured out what amount of portion we have to cover and how much time would it take to cover that portion, the next thing to do is to make a daily target. Decide well in advance what you are going to complete at the end of the day. Whether it's 4 answers, whether you're going to sit and do numericals of some chapters, whatever it is, make sure you plan it at least a day before. And finally, the last tip is to take breaks. Breaks are equally important, but it needs to be taken in moderation. Set timer for break as well. Do not restrict yourself from doing anything during the break. But also make sure at the end of the break, when your break is getting over, you come back in full concentration and get back to your task. So that's it. Those were the tips that you should keep in mind when you are making a study plan. Follow these tips. Let us know how it helped you and what are your tips which you follow while studying.